wrong, Ryback. You're wrong. Those were party poppers.
You got shit for brains, Private. I know they brainwashed you in boot camp. Sometimes you have to question authority. Trust me, boy. That's gunfire. Now you get me out of here and I'll go take care of it.
I'm gonna be relieved in a couple of minutes. So just shut up and sit tight.
Something's going on. Use your head this time, boy. Do what you gotta do. Get me out of here. When I get out, I'll shoot you myself.
Commander Krill? Is that you?
Get your hands on your head. Get them on your head. Turn around. Get down on your knees. Cross your ankles. Where's the cook?
In the reefer.
Which one?